Hi everyone, welcome to Art.Ardore, a channel for all things art. Today we are going to be learning how to draw a cute bunny, the beginner level. Let's begin. So draw a diagonal line around the center of the page and mark the central point like this. Draw another diagonal line from the center of this previous line, but only going upwards. Then draw another vertical line going downwards from the central mark as well. Then measure 1.75 centimeters on each side of the second diagonal line. Then measure 5.5 centimeters along the second diagonal line, which will mark the height of the head. Then along the vertical line, measure approximately 8 centimeters downwards. Now let's join the head points from the top to the bottom, with the bottom part being wider than the top. So do the same on the right side. Now let's join the dots for the body, with the wider part being the bottom part too, as shown. Now let's place the ears. Measure approximately 1 centimeter from the second diagonal line at the top of the head, and measure 7 centimeters from this first ear mark. Then measure another 1.5 centimeters from the second ear mark and place the ears as shown. Then put the inner lining of the ears as shown. Now for the second ear, this will be more slanted more than the first ear, and we want to draw it folded. So draw the first line halfway of the second line. Then the second line of the ear will be shorter than the first line, and then we draw the ear pointing downwards as shown. Add the inner part of the ear as well. Now for the eyes will be more central. So let's draw 2 arcs equally spaced. The central part of the face. Then you place the nose right below it. then the mouth right below the nose, and place a smiley face. So the smile will be from eye to eye. If you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So now for the egg, let's draw a diagonal line that is slightly slanted, and then we place an oval shape around this diagonal line towards the bottom of the body. Then for the feet, let's draw two short diagonal lines at the bottom of the body of our bunny. Then let's make the feet more of a triangular shape with the wider part going outwards, and the wider part should be slightly curved. Place the inner foot pads and paws on both sides of the leg. Now let's place the arms. As shown, this will be more on the central part of the egg. The arms will be looking like two thick arrows pointing at each other. To clean up. Now let's place the eyes, outlines of the eyes. Then let's shade in. So here we're going to start with the inner part of the ears, and the feet, as well as the nose. So here I've chosen an orange color, but you can always use a color of your choice. Just have fun with your drawing. let's add the outlines. So I'm just using a black pen to just outline my drawing. So I'm using a 2B pencil. So just use soft pencil strokes and blend in when you're done. Then we are going to add in our cute cheekbones. I've used the same orange color, as you can see. Just put it. So now let's put our smiling cheeks. Then some highlights. Let's now decorate our egg. This is freelance, do as you will. I just started with horizontal lines just to give me a general guide of what I would want. Just make sure that almost each gap is filled up, as an Easter egg is nice and bright. So shading as you will. And you're done. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time. Bye.